Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off personal offers on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the more settings button. Here you can find the second option, the personal offers, and if you want to disable this function, just click to the on button and new is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.